Give me a second. I'm just gonna try and remember this.
Sure.
Intro.
Intro.
Hello there.
Willkommen.
Welcome to Coding 101.
With
your
Backstreet Boys.
with your host, Spoderman. Wait, what's my YouTube name again?
Is it Zanobard?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Me.
Oh yeah, that's my branding. Oh yeah.
So professional.
So it's a bit different to anything I've done before, but we're doing it
Not
anyway.
even sure why the hell you're recording this, really.
Because it was fun last time and we regretted not
true.
recording it.
Wake me up inside.
I'm gonna call it Noob Coding 101.
That's definitely one title.
Winona.
Oh, I didn't.
She's a don't have to get a character. I don't know.
Well, I needed it anyway, but Dean, can you send me the resource manager script just so I can test that? I need
Sure, yeah. Can do.
Have you got any default values in there?
So,
Wait,
our game.
Well, I mean, just because
Let me tell you a bit about it.
No, never mind. It doesn't need it. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. I don't fucking know.
She is one.
Well, I've just got to find it.
Thing. Oh, Unity's finally finished installing, thank Christ.
Thank the Lord Jesus.
The Lord Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. Right, resource manager. I've copied it, I'm going to paste it in Discord just for you.
She despises lazy people.
No. Just for me.
Oh my god, paste, please. It didn't paste.
Why?
Ow. Ow.
Jesus Christ, dude. You just broke the stream. So yeah, we're making a game. Dean, describe the game that we're making.
So we're making a it's a bank management simulator. There
Fun,
you go.
right?
Yeah. And things happen, and you got to respond to the things happening, and that's about it.
Yeah. So there's events like you got robbed or you got invested in, hence this shit. So you've got we're doing a response array currently. So like, you sure you want to fire someone? If you're firing an employee, a robbery has occurred. Our security wasn't up to the task if it's successful.
Well, that script's been done, right?
Yeah, but I'm walking the viewers through it.
Okay. I'm glad you're doing it. Right.
And a robbery has occurred. Luckily, our security defeated them. A failed robbery. So yeah. By the way, if you came here for some serious coding, you came to the wrong place.
Oh, that's so true. It hurts.
So you might want a round turn, just abort out of the door right now.
Yeah.
Press Control Alt Delete and shut your computer down.
I think competence. If anyone expects competence, they ought to.
What you're in for
code's
here?
not throwing a hissy fit because it's not got.
That's fantastic.
What you're in for here is
Yeah.
3 uni students talking to each other for an hour.
Yeah. An hour.
You seem to be mistaken here.
You seem to be underestimating the task at hand, sir.
This is on and all.
But it's an hour before Betty buys. Oh.
Oh no. Help.
So the last time we did this, we were working on a board game, and it descended into catastrophe very quickly. Hence the reason why we're now recording.
But I have to code
Whence?
some more.
Good luck.
Yeah.
I can all my coding experience, which is none. No wait, I managed to code like a theme on Tumblr. That was about it.
So CSS.
That's HTML.
Well, it's probably CSS.
Yes, it's CSS. Oh, okay, it's different.
So Dean, what am I doing now?
I don't know. I really don't know.
I'm supposed to be entertaining people.
Okay. Have you considered juggling?
I mean, I'm pretty sure your skill set doesn't involve entertaining, Fred.
That's entertainment.
Thank you.
Yes.
Right.
So.
Fire and fire.
Jacob, how goes the textures?
Well, I've only just started back up again.
I mean, I don't know how far you got. I don't have a clue what any of the our teams have really been doing. Well, I do that, but
We saw Venny's stuff.
I'm gonna go room by room.
I don't have a clue what any of the.
So, Dean,
There's only 2 rooms.
guys,
Yeah.
the
Vaults.
state of the stream right now.
Yeah. We honestly, we of the
So,
coding and
Dean,
of
there's only
the mediation team. Why the hell are there 4 rooms? What are you laughing at now, Dean?
It's a good jest. Good jest.
Look at Discord, that's the stream right now.
12
Yay.
images.
Credit to whoever made that GIF. Very talented individual.
Oh yes. Wow. This is some premium stuff right here.
Don't make me bring that image up again. What's your religion?
Oh Christ, that snort.
That's my religion.
Shut up.
That's my religion.
All the code. Coding away.
It's taking a really, really long time to load. It'll be around peakish times.
Dean,
Yes.
why? Give me something to do, goddammit.
That's me.
I'm-
That's my religion.
I don't know why I was appointed as leader, because I'm no leader.
Yeah. Pretty good.
There must be something to code. Otherwise, this is going to be a pretty shitty stream.
So, because here's the thing, right?
We need this.
At the moment, we've got
We've
to make it so that it can trigger the events, make it so that it can trigger the actions, and then we've got to make it so that it does them in sequence.
Sequences. Woo!
We can't do them that they're in sequence until we've actually got everything there.
You're gonna get the ammo as you spawns like that.
Probably should get rid of some of my. Yeah.
Also, it would be fan-dabby-dozy if the UI team could chuck some UI our way at some point.
Hello, may I have some
But-
UI, please?
It'll probably be fine to just get it tomorrow. It'll be fine. Everything's fine. Everything's absolutely fine.
We're gonna
Swoosh.
do it, guys. It's gonna work.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it.
So just save for Captain Amari. Bitch, I just realised how I don't have to full Captain Conte gets
It didn't do anything. Okay, good. God
I have so many for Bastion, and I'm there like, I don't get play of the game with Bastion.
damn it. That's just because you're a script here, Bastion. Come on, guys.
Fuck it.
All the things.
Like you cry every time.
Like all the.
Fucking spams the likes. That's not just in reference to him being a scrub here, just if you cry every time.
You may as well do something. Yeah, that's not wrong. That's not wrong, Fred.
I'm gonna just piss about with some code.
Just move some, like, press enter a few times and then backspace.
Yeah, you know.
I can't even remember how to do half of this stuff. I'm gonna be honest. I don't even remember.
Damn it, Richard.
I don't
You can
even,
remember.
I remember what I was thinking, which is you call it up, it reads, it checks for some stuff, and then it displays. Admittedly, I don't know how it displays at the moment. I think it probably just do a log of something.
Just do a good log
I don't know what of, but because yeah,
in the
what's it
toilet.
logging, but,
That was a good
I mean,
joke. Good jest. Good jest.
I kind of don't understand that one, Fred.
The
But
toilet.
Sure. You do you.
Poo jokes. That's what it was. Feces.
Gotta love
Christ.
those jokes.
I like logs.
As you can tell.
They're all
Yeah.
degenerates. Yeah, these two, they're degenerates.
Fuck you.
Well, I mean, you two are also degenerates, but
Oh yeah, yeah. What?
Oh
You're a
Christ.
degenerate, Croig. What? What did I do? Exist. Oh.
played Bastion didn't get played a game.
That's because I don't play Bastion, you cock.
Oh God.
Fucking Bastion, you turn into turret form and you aim. How hard is that?
I never play
Ruffle
Bastion.
stomping newbies.
I fucking hate him. Fuck! Fuck Bastion!
All the
Please
salt.
don't fuck Bastion. I'll do what I want. I'll fuck all the robots I want. You can't stop me.
Here we have
This is
Croy.
so
announcing his
texture
intention to
type,
fuck
oh, yeah.
all the robots.
Croy,
To make it a sprute.
Do what?
Have they got an AI? Then I'll fuck it.
Screw all the robots.
So, if I also...
I need this to call. Okay, so
Jesus
am I doing?
Christ.
Dean, have you got the random? Are you going to be doing the random thing? The
Random thing.
Are you doing the randomizer or am I doing the randomizer?
You're doing the randomizer because you're doing events, and I'm doing actions,
Have
right?
you got any idea how to do a randomizer? Because I've not done a randomizer before.
Well, I can look it up. It's been a while.
No, I'll look it up then.
It's been a while.
If you've got any quick links that you can send over, then that'd be great. But so, what am I doing? A random number generator. What's the matter?
Yeah, and it would have to be converted to. Actually, it wouldn't have to be converted to int because you're working with floats. So.
Oh, there's random class. That's weird. I don't know what it's about, but hey, I clicked the thing.
Is this pretty random?
Ah, right, yeah. Random
That was the
range.
first API link I found, so I don't know if that's actually what we need, but
Returns a
API.
random float number between min inclusive, max inclusive, read only. So, and it also goes right up to the limit. That's fine. I wanted to do that. So it goes. What? Oh, I see. Yeah. So you just use random range, and then the two values. Yes. Okay. So random range. How do I call it for the specific thing? Let's find out. Let's just test some stuff. Random range. And then we want it from the event manager's event list. So that's the float. So that.
you're right there, Fred. You seem to be having some trouble.
So do I use event manager dot event list? That's the class, and that's the float.
Well, because you might need to pull in the class because
Never mind, no, it's not. Never mind, I'm wrong.
Because that's the array, right? Or the
No,
array.
Events is the array. So is it event manager dot event because it's in a different script? So
Because I've got my class is called actions and my array is called actions list, right?
Sí.
Sí,
Sí, señor.
sí, señor.
0 and then up to where am I going up to 23? I don't know if that's right actually. I don't think that's right. It goes up to 23.
I'm so sorry.
23. Okay.
But I can't remember how the hell to do this. So, we're going to start off with a basic movement script.
What? Why are we doing? You know what? I'm not going to question it.
I'm pissing
Yeah,
about.
You're doing your own thing.
I
God
asked-
knows.
He's having a piddle.
I asked you guys to give me something to do, and you didn't, so I'm making my own project.
With
Fuck you.
blackjack and hookers.
Yeah, man.
I guess I put it in there. In the bracket. Oh fuck! That's not what I wanted to do.
Wait, I pressed tab. Why did it just randomly put in a word that I didn't want?
Because duh, it's what you have to do,
Alright, yeah.
bro.
Thanks.
Do I need public float events? Square brackets event list.
Christ, what did I do?
No, I don't really get why it's not. It's saying
That's
it's
fine.
a type, not a. Oh, actually, hold on. I might work now. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. That's because I haven't capitalized the L. Explains. But that didn't work either.
Winston came to my rescue after she killed me. The Winston like it did all fucking destroyed her. And I'm like, yeah, bitch.
Dean doesn't like it.
What?
It says an object reference is required for the non-static field method or property event manager.event list.
Wait, repeat yourself.
An object reference is required for the non-static. I don't fucking care anymore. I'll start again. An object reference is required for the non-static field method or property event manager.event list. And honestly, that has just made me feel way more brain dead. Ugh.
Wait.
Do I not want the event manager.event list? Because I'll tell you right now that flipped through a different kind of exception on me.
But you might have to copy the class events
So
into
these are
this script.
keys.
So do I do
ADW. ADS.
What's that?
Don't need W because W doesn't. It's a 2D game. It don't matter.
It does.
Are you just making? You're just making your own little game.
Fucking get it.
What?
That's fine. That's absolutely fine.
Dude, are you watching the stream?
No, I'm not. I'm trying to code.
Oh wow. What a beautiful.
Let's see. Let's have a look.
What's wrong with it?
Oh my god, that's just awful.
What the hell am I looking at?
Oh no.
Is that just?
What?
That's not how physics works.
Off he goes off the side.
Yeah, a bit of a tumble there.
And you can achieve all this in just minutes.
Follow the 1, 2, 3 thread guide in order to achieve this result.
And if anyone wants this code, you can fuck off. I'm not posting it in the chat.
Oh, I wanted the code.
Did you want to code along with me?
Fucking farmer out the sky by fucking self.
Code by numbers.
Look at that!
I don't want to look, I'm trying to code.
Try to be productive, Fred.
Well, I'm trying to be
Not
productive.
working. You're not helping.
Well, give me
Yeah, let's
something to
really productive, guys. Come on.
Don't want to watch.
So dumb.
Woo! Look, he can fly. You'll believe a man can fly.
Damn thing. How do I find it? How do I?
Yes.
It's not liking it, and I don't know how to fix it. I'll copy what I put in. Literally, this is just in a blank document. But other than that, there's nothing else in there. It's literally, this is the only thing I typed in. I don't get it.
I don't get it.
I mean, I
Well,
think
wait. So have you said anything equals random range?
what?
No, you need to do like, because that means it's doing a random a random range, like a random number within the range of event manager.events.event list 0 to event list 23. You need to do.
According to this, it just what?
You need to do a random range between 0 and 23.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And it's got a 0 and a 23.
No, but you just need the 0 to 23.
Oh yeah, I gotta do this.
Oh really?
Shit.
Well, how am
Yeah.
I the event manager thing?
I've been one of the point left. Shit.
So didn't want to play left. So like, how do I call the thing? Like, how does it go from random range 0 to 23 to actually having? Oh.
So
you
want a different number.
So I want this to be.
Now,
So I want to make a new variable
Go
then.
back
in.
And it equals. Right, got it. And I put this in update, right? So well,
if
actually,
we
I
fuck it up, like going off here.
Put it in a
Press
separate little
we
what's it?
restart?
I'm
Function.
just putting start.
Yeah.
and giving
Are you giving your own little tutorial, Fred?
Shut up!
Shut up.
What's he doing now?
I put in a restart command, so if you fall off the edge, you
Oh
can
my
start
God.
again.
Is this going to be our jam game? Is this-
Non-stop infinite arrow.
I think this should be the jam game, you know, guys. I think Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's pretty solid.
Should we just send this off to IBM now?
Yeah. Receive our paycheck later.
Right, so
That's nice.
Do you reckon I'm allowed to put the IBM stuff on this stream or not? Because I reckon we could have some fun with the chatbots.
yeah, I'm sure you can. Yeah, but have you actually made a chatbot?
Well, no, the chatbot's on the site.
Oh right, is there one on the site? Oh shit, fuck! I should mess around with that. Oh wait, no, I didn't say that, Dean. No, didn't say I was gonna just stop. Nope.
Well,
Oh. Oh.
And now
if
we're
you do
going
just
to add
stop,
some
I'll just
cool
keep
stuff.
going. It's completely fine.
I'm
gonna
not going to. I'm going to get this code done so I can at least say I did some of it.
Good door.
So public. What do I really want? I just want to float, and it's going to be called.
Let's do some
Rand.
shit.
Oh wait, no. Random number.
Random.
Public float random number. It's a good floaty. It's a bit floaty. Then I'm going to go for random number equals random range 0 to 23.
Shit,
and then
me.
Do you even need the random number generator yet, or would that be in the?
Well, no, 'cause what I do is I can compare that number next to but how do I call it up? How do I call up the event that would be associated with that number now? How do I do that?
So then you'd call
So what I want another variable that would be
Oh, man.
a chosen event, right? And then that would be equal to the.
Not quite work as planned.
So yeah, if you have current event, and yeah, that equals event manager dot events dot event list, and then in the square brackets, whatever the number generated is, right?
Yes, got it.
Yes. Bam. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am.
Somehow I knew that was coming.
Yeah. Thank my nan. I want my nan.
What?
She said thank my
Whence?
nan. I was like, no. So I want what do I want? I want event manager dot event
I keep
square
forgetting what
bracket.
I'm doing every time I alt tab to think.
Well, I could. Oh, what? Oh no, Dean.
What?
I could just put random in the square brackets. Apparently.
You
Right,
could.
add a little tag to this thing.
Apparently. Don't worry, we don't get it either.
You could if you want.
Oh,
Bless
no,
whoever
I'm saying it's
sneezed.
typing it.
And again.
Dean says bless you twice.
Thank you.
Now we get into the heat.
Oh, it's doing it again.
The heat
It
of
says
the
it
coding.
says there's
I'm
no.
allergic to bullshit.
Oh,
You're screwed.
I don't
Trigger action.
even.
So now we must program
it.
this into the game.
Yes.
We must give Green Arrow the ability to destroy his mortal enemy. Oh shit.
This is
Don't
what I
be-
added.
What happened there?
There you go.
Not private.
I added
Fuck
that
off.
literally as it is there.
It doesn't really matter either way. But...
Well, actually, no. I'll copy the whole thing instead. Hold on, let me delete the thing above as well.
Wow, game goo.
Hold on, let me just
Delete
delete
that
these.
either.
Ignore what's in the chat. Ignore that.
What game goo?
It's not there. This is my current thing. It looks like that.
Favorite one.
Mostly borrowing from
You have no idea.
last year's
With the-
Unity scripting.
Of course we all are.
Fred just doing
Fred,
her own
we all
little,
are.
just on his own little adventure.
Shut up.
So, Dean.
I think there is a problem with that because you're going to want to convert that to an int, right?
Fuck your car.
I guess.
So if you do, random number equals
Yeah.
math f. Well, in
What?
fact, make it an integer, right?
What? What?
Because you can only-
You know what I'm going to do?
What?
Before you continue,
Yeah.
No, of course, what am I doing?
same
What
thing.
am I doing?
I'm going to go event manager, Discord, and then you can see what I've written there. No, you don't need that. You can read it. There you go. That's the thing I've made before.
Well, the only thing,
If it works.
because just from that, is it mathf dot?
I just need to put some comments in as well.
Wait.
This is
Why just did that?
Fucking spelling.
as default.
Why do I don't need that? Why did I type that? It's just nothing to do with it. It's from an old fucking project.
Student.
Are you going insane, Fred?
Shut up.
It is. It's Fred.
And now, ladies and gents, if you will all observe. Oh fuck! I made a compile error. Why doesn't it compile?
If you all observe, none of this works.
There's too many fucking brackets. That's fine. Wait, what?
Why is it an F, Dean?
Or what, mathf?
What's wrong with that?
No. I mean, my list isn't in.
That goes up. Wait.
What?
So
It's
that's
public
not...
events bracket close square brackets event list. There's no float
Come
there.
on.
They're floating there. They're floaty.
You can buy that too.
Have you seen the text I put in?
Wait, what?
I put my file in.
You did, yeah.
Okay, I'm
Did
confused now.
did you have a look?
Oh, I didn't.
You should have.
I think.
Okay, yeah, I'll have a look then, just for you.
Come on, Genji.
I'll save it there and it should shove it directly into the project.
He's
Yeah,
beautiful, isn't he?
Dean. Richard, Dean, if you care to observe the stream at this point.
oh my god. Here we right, I'll do it just for you, right.
So, notice we now have a bad guy to fight.
Oh my god.
Are you ready
I
for
love the
this?
attention to detail on the
Are you ready for this?
Like,
Yeah.
I'm really concerned
Bang.
about that rubber duck.
Oh no.
You got wrecked.
I've got to wait until it catches up.
Yeah, I mean we got it.
And the duck is
Well
dead.
done, Fred.
Like,
Well done.
What
Yeah.
hell?
What's Fred's doing?
has he got nothing to do?
No, I don't think.
No, it's got nothing to do.
He's got nothing to do. Good old Fred.
Fred, that's dumb.
Thank you for watching.
Good night.
Oh no, we're not done yet. Oh no.
We're not done. So, Dean, before he derails us even further,
If you guys would actually give me something to do, I wouldn't have to make Green Arrow the video game.
what do you want to do?
Anything,
You can twiddle your
please.
thumbs if you want, but
Anything. Anything's better than a
What do we
rubber
want
duck
to do?
versus
Actually
Green
have anything
Arrow.
I can't think of anything to do right now with what we've got. Like, apart from the two things that we're working on, and then compiling those two things together, and then incorporating the UI. And we don't have any UI to work with.
What you mean, that of which I've got.
Good.
So if you guys would like to play this game, just check out the description. I'll upload the exe for you.
Oh my god.
Right.
It's a quality game.
So where's the
Wow.
random?
The random is in the
Give me
event
money.
call thing.
Oh, this is the event manager script.
shit.
Right.
Yeah. This is
Right,
the
right, right.
This goes,
I'll do
hi,
my stuff.
you do
So
it.
I can attach that to manager. There you go.
Wee.
Now why don't we do something a bit more complicated for this next update?
Oh god. Don't derail us, please. Please,
Jesus
don't do
Christ.
it.
What the fuck? I just got an animation destroying someone. Maybe you're comfortable.
Register event receiver.
Over the stamps on their hands. Yeah, you get those.
Oh my god, what is happening?
What?
Genji, you're such a
What-
horrible
what did-
person.
what-
I've got error messages.
What, like,
smack a bitch to the ground.
However, I'm taking his bike.
what error message did you receive?
Wait, I'm just going to clear a couple. Ba-doo.
Don't want it now.
Tell me what they are. I'm not getting any, so I'm like lost. Why is he getting?
Yeah, in my Unity project, from asset/Watson/script/unit/test event manager. So now I've suddenly got.
Why is Watson
Problems.
suddenly having a go?
Yeah, that's weird.
That's weird. You're not using it yet.
No, and it wasn't having it wasn't flipping out earlier either.
So now we're gonna make a little player 2, so you can
Oh,
play
God.
with your friends.
Oh my God.
Introducing, you guessed it, it's Doctor Who.
What? Back to the stream, I guess.
Here he
Oh
is.
God. Oh God.
I'm not clicking on it.
Help. Need help.
What?
You need help, bro.
Do you mean what?
Whence?
Clicked on Creative Cloud.
So now to add this
Great.
new character, we're gonna add, what the fuck is it called? Couch co-op? Yeah. So now, crap, I forgot how you do this. How do you do this?
How do?
Welcome
Please
to the
help,
fucking
my
club.
bitch.
Oh, I can't remember how to do it. How do I do it? You literally
don't-
described me and Dean trying to fucking work this thing out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it's attached to the game object. Yeah. Okay, I know what to do. I know how to do this.
So, Dean, you were saying before I got distracted.
Oh.
Very easily, I will warn you right now.
Yeah,
So-
you can finally witness it now.
What's the? Oh, it's just what's the how proper right.
I need the fucking other thingy.
You might as well delete it for now because you don't need it yet. It'd be easier just to take the SDK out and then just put it back in later.
Oh no, it's cool. Like it's. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything is fan
So as long as
dabby.
there's nothing wrong with my
dozy.
script, that's fine, and you can tell me what I'm doing wrong because I'm confused.
Yeah, your script seems absolutely fine. Oh wait, event list equals new events. So I'm just gonna have to change that to 24 because there are 24 of them now.
Oh, is it? Why?
Yeah.
Why is it
It's
It's
the
on
easiest way to
5.
do this is to make another movement script.
What?
So you see you got event list equals new events 5. Change that to 24.
That's not, but
That would
okay.
explain a lot. Yeah. Okay. Now what?
That's the only thing I could see. Anyway,
How do I
So
fix
with-
the event call? I don't get it. I don't understand, bro. I don't understand.
so you're gonna have to round the random number. I
Don't need
think
to define it again because it's public.
you
Glad
are going crazy, aren't you?
Glad
Fred?
you guys caught on to that because you know you guys are clever guys. You are.
Anyway, so Richard,
So now we're going to put this to the arrow keys.
Yeah.
I think that random number is going to have to be an integer because you can't call a decimal array like Rosset.
There she runs.
But that still didn't work after I switched it from float to int.
No, it doesn't.
No,
do
because
that
you're going
at
to
all.
have you put a round to int as well?
The easiest way
Why?
to do this is just declare it.
Well, because the random range works with floats, I think.
Oh.
So you have to convert that
No,
to
it
an
doesn't because it hasn't got the Fs.
What?
It hasn't got the Fs after the
What?
numbers. It'd have to have the Fs after the numbers if it was float.
What?
No, because I think random.range itself converts floats, right? Not converts, generates a random point.
number between. No, it's integer. It's integer.
Oh,
Oh,
Now.
that should be fine then. Right.
So it's saying object. Now it's saying object reference is required for the non-static field method or property event manager dot event list.
This is just
Copy it over again, and you can have a look at it again, and we can all cry as we don't understand.
Wait, have you got get component event manager.event list?
What?
Get component.
Oh, is that a thing?
Yeah, remember earlier?
Get.
Component script. Yeah, all that. I'll repost it.
Component. And then,
Bam.
And then that. Is it that?
So you want
Okay, I need that as well. Okay.
We'll get rid of
You
the
need a
duck because we
bracket.
don't need the duck anymore.
but
Now.
it's still not working.
Now, whence we play.
Still isn't working. That's saying something about floats. Converting
Here
two
he
floats.
is.
Oh, that's
Woo!
fine.
Oh, it didn't
That
really
also
work.
needs to be an int.
Need to zoom out the camera a
There
bit.
we go. It can't convert it to an int either. Then I'm going to paste it again, and you can say what I'm doing wrong, because I'm doing it wrong, undoubtedly. Indubitably. That goes under the... Yeah.
There we go.
One
Right,
sec.
now it'll work.
One more thing.
No, you can't do the current event as an int,
Why not?
because
So,
the current event
ladies and gentlemen, if you're
is an
prepared,
event.
if you're prepared to head over to the
Well,
stream,
what am I doing then? No. What am I doing then? What am I putting it at?
Head over to the
what's the current
stream.
event supposed to be?
I'll head over to the stream briefly.
Dan! He says,
What the hell am I looking at?
it's the battle to the death.
What is this counter? I mean,
Ah,
oh, it's... Off he goes. Swoosh. How on earth did you...
The hell was that?
it was a battle to the death.
It was.
Gotta love those battles to the death.
It's a really quick one as well.
Very quick.
I'm actually gonna save this because it's quality. Oh god, I gotta fucking save it.
So Richard, you're gonna have to.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Your current
Thanks.
event has to be an events thing, class, right? So you're gonna have to.
A class?
You're gonna have, what?
A class?